Welcome back, folks, to a brand new video.
Among the most beautiful islands in Europe, the Balearics and the Canary Islands of Spain boast some of the best locations for a holiday all year round. And each island has its own uniqueness. So let's take a look at 10 beautiful islands to visit in Spain. Number 1. Ibiza. Ibiza is one of the Balearic Islands, an archipelago of Spain in the Mediterranean Sea. It's easily one of the most famous places in Spain. The summer season of celebrity DJs, crazy nightclubs and bars right on the sand make it one of the world's top party destinations. But it also has breathtaking beaches. From the iconic Playa d'Ambossa, with Balearic beats ringing through the air, to the crystal clear waters of family favourite Calahorra. And with all that, you can go deep into Ibiza's town. It's World Heritage listed Old Quarter, complete with a castle, cathedral, and mysterious laneways in the blistering heat. Number 2. Mallorca. Now this is the largest of the Spanish Balearic Islands. The capital is Palma, and it's where you should start your adventure. But equally on the northeast coast of the island sits the town of Soler. And it's easily connected with the capital Palma via its historic train line. So it also happens to be the hottest Balearic island. So if you want to head out to some sandy coastline, there's only one place you should head to: Cala Formentera. It's one of the finest natural beaches in Mallorca, and it's surrounded by the Tramontana mountain. You see, the best thing about Mallorca is it's so good if you want hidden beaches and coves where you can enjoy the peace and quiet of the sea. You could also visit Calo del Morro, which is more of an unspoilt cliff bay area. So Mallorca is so good if you want hidden beaches where you can enjoy the peace and quiet of the sea. This is the perfect location. Number 3. Menorca, the historical island. Now this is another amazing Spanish island in the Mediterranean, and traditionally known as more of a low-key destination. If you want a secluded and serene beach holiday, this is the place. In fact, it's a great option for those of you that feel that its big brother Mallorca is way too crowded for a Spanish vacation. Though less developed in comparison to the other Spanish islands, Menorca still offers unspoiled scenery and a taste of history, with prehistoric monuments dating back to 1300 BC. These include remnants of settlements, and you can take different routes through the villages to explore burial chambers, watchtowers, altars, and traditional houses. And one big adventurous activity you can do, walking or riding the long 185-kilometer trail that goes all the way around the island's coastline. Number 4. Formentera. The smallest of Spain's inhabited Balearic Islands is Formentera, only a 40-minute short ferry ride away from its loud neighbour Ibiza. Once a popular hippie destination, this smaller island retains that laid-back vibe. People go to Formentera simply to relax, spend time lazing on one of the strikingly beautiful beaches, and simply bathing in the crystal clear water. So it's no surprise that Formentera's beaches are regularly voted as Europe's best, even ranking in the top 10 worldwide. So with far less people than any other island, with sleepy harbour towns, holidays right here offer those of you who like to lose track of time and simply enjoy the beach scene. Next up, Canary Islands. Tenerife, the largest and most populated island of the Canary Islands. It's in the Atlantic Ocean, just 300 kilometers off the west coast of Africa. Known for its beautiful beaches and striking natural scenery, the island is dominated by a towering high Teide volcano. Tenerife is actually full of wonderful trails that venture into the lush forests, where you can discover impressive volcanoes and awe-inspiring landscapes. Now, to most of us, the island is set up for that holiday vacation. Massive all-inclusive resorts line the southwest coastline, making affordable family vacations a reality for many. But when your location is off the coast of West Africa, you can expect an adventure. So a trip to Tenerife, you have to take the opportunity to explore. Number 6, Gran Canaria. Now this is another popular Canary Island resort and a cruise ship port, a destination that has a beautiful mix of wonderful coastline and a stunning mountainous interior. So adventure tourism is the thing to do here. You can go mountain biking, hiking, rock climbing, and everything else. So there's plenty of activities that will match your level. With that being said, the beaches are still the major draw here, and rank among the best in the Canary Islands, especially the spectacular Playa Mas Palomas, a huge stretch of sand backed by towering sand dunes. Number 7, Lanzarote. Any mention of Spanish islands need to include Lanzarote, an island that still manages to impress thanks to miles upon miles of picture-perfect beaches. So it's an excellent holiday destination, but it's so much more than just beaches. I highly recommend that you rent a car and explore through the excellent road systems that will take you past incredible and unique sights. And a few of the highlights would be to visit the national park. You'll drive past things that spontaneously burst into flame. I promise you, Lanzarote should be actually located near Iceland, judging by the landscape. Number 8, Fuerteventura. Now if you truly love going to the beach, then Fuerteventura is the place I highly recommend. This island is desolate and dry in the interior, but along the coast are beautiful white sand beaches, washed by blue turquoise water. So take your pick, perhaps a beach with huge sand dunes running right into the ocean, or perhaps a small cove set between ancient lava flows. The choice is yours. Number 9. La Palma. Now this island is not to be confused with Las Palmas, the capital city of Gran Canaria. It is another Canary island. It's the most northern and the most western of the Canary Islands, making it the most remote. So it's a popular destination for those stargazers, and there are many observatories here, along with strict light laws. The landscape of the island is beautiful, with mountains and forests, along with the spectacular beaches, like you'll find in all the islands. But most of the land is protected from development, and the whole island is in a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. So this is for those of you who love lush green jungles and walking tours. And finally, number 10, La Gomera. The second smallest of the inhabited Canary Islands, is only a 40-minute ferry ride away from Tenerife. So once you're on the island, you'll find some amazing volcanic landscapes, along with beaches and a lot of areas for you to explore. So here there are mountains and plenty of valleys, all of which can be explored on foot, mountain bike, or even horseback. So the island has a fascinating ancient history and is well known as a departure point for Christopher Columbus and his 3 famous ships. So this island is a paradise for hikers. So there you have it, folks. Those are 10 beautiful islands in Spain. Highly recommended that you try something different if you've always gone to the big major resort destinations. That's it from me. As always, be good, be kind, and be careful. Peace.